Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is May 26th, the 26th day of May Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem and, all that stuff. Yeah, so I usually solve these live, so it's a little bit slow. Skip ahead or watch on 2x or whatever you need to do. And for all those people who commented on my allergies, thank you. I do actually been taking over the counter stuff, but it's still a little bit. Maybe I need something stronger, but that's besides the point. So I might sneeze again. Sorry about that. My allergies are kind of pretty strong right now. This time of the year, which is usually pretty weird because May is usually I'm pretty good by May, but I don't know what happened this year. This weird situations. Anyway, okay. Let's get to today's actual problem. Partitioning into minimum number of Deci-Binary numbers. Okay. A decimal number is called Deci-Binary. Okay, so, okay. Given n, return the minimum number needed so that they sum up to n. Okay. So this one, I remember solving this during the contest, and you can, and I could have a link below on how you solve it during contest, because I think I solved it during the contest really quickly, and because it was very recent, maybe not recent, maybe like half a year ago or something like that, but I think I solved it really quickly. So what I'm gonna say isn't because I solved it before. I mean maybe a little bit because I solved it before, but also because let's see. But also because like you could watch me solve it for the first time and see how fast I did it, right? Because so that you don't think like, oh, Larry already knows the answer. That's why he is so fast or whatever, right? But this one, the kind of the key component is so the answer is going to be the answer is not the interesting part. It's about the proof, or at least that's what I'm going to try to focus on. And the idea here is that it's just greedy, right? Let's say you have a big number. And then, for the minimum number of digits, so we can kind of break it down into each digit at a time. Because if you have this Deci-Binary number, you could kind of think about each digit as independently, right? Because there are a couple. This is just greedy in a way. I'm trying to figure out how to talk about greedy. But the idea is that okay. Well, let's say you have this ridiculously long number. Well, two observations, right? Let's say you have the number. Let's say you have the number 10, right? So this is either equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 10 of these, or just 10, right? And obviously in scenarios like this, you always just want the number 10 because so you will never need to carry. So that means that the max number is going to be 9, right? And then now, in a greedy way, the way to think about it is that okay, you just basically decrement each position one at a time. So for example, if you have something like this, you would have 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 right? And then you subtract this from that, and you get I'm not gonna actually do it, but then now the second time you go okay 1 1 1 1 this is still 0 and the key difference is that this thing is 1, so you know that here the okay, let's do it once, right? This is why they invented the computer, so I don't have to do this manually, but I'm going to do it once for illustration. Right, so we subtract this, and we get this thing, right? And we do it again, and now we have 0, 5. Okay, you get the idea. Maybe I should pick the smaller number. Let's pick this one instead, so I'm a little bit less silly. But yeah, let's say you have something like this. First, the biggest Deci-Binary number is going to be all just ones, and then you have 7, 1, 6, 2, 3, and then you do another one, and then you have 6, 0, 5, 1, 2, and then now you do 1, but then you only have now you have 0 here because you don't need to decrement by that anymore. So then now you have 5, 0, 4, 0, 1, and then and then so forth, right? And then if you look at this pattern, that means that for each number or each digit, you decrement it by that number of times. So then the answer is just going to be the max number of the max value of the digit. So that's basically all I have. And hopefully, and I did think about all this stuff during the contest, and when I solved it live, I think I solved in 2-3 minutes maybe. So yeah, we can watch that afterwards, or but now let's actually implement it. So then, okay, what's the number? The length is at least 1, so that means that all we have to do is just return max of n, maybe int x for x in n, something like that, right? I mean, this is I don't know, I was gonna say, like, the testing is like, this code is not like, what it returns, so it's more about the expected answer, right? But yeah, give it a submit, and that's good. Yeah, that's all I have for this part. I mean, and yeah, if you look at this, it's going to be obviously linear time and I guess and constant space as we go through the loop, and getting the max. So yeah, let's see what hint can they give you. Why are there 3 hints? This is a little bit weird. But yeah, linear time, constant space. That's all I have for this one. As I said, you can watch me solve it during the contest as well. I'll put a link in the comments below, and yeah, so that's all I have. Yeah, that's all I have. So anyway, stay good, stay healthy. My allergies is kicking me butt. And yeah, to good men to help. I'll see you out tomorrow. Bye bye.